Introducing the X-Scrub Max 34, the ultimate automatic walk-behind scrubber by Intelligent Design Manufacturing. Designed with easy-to-use, intuitive controls, the X-Scrub Max 34 delivers powerful cleaning with operator comfort in mind. A traction drive system powers the machine forward and backward, reducing operator fatigue while improving control and productivity. Built to clean virtually any hard floor surface, it's ready for demanding environments. Eco Mode extends runtime while reducing noise, saving water, and lowering energy consumption. Excellent for daytime cleaning operations. An emergency stop button adds an extra layer of safety, while adjustable solution control allows operators to match solution flow to soil levels for efficient cleaning. The Max 34 features a robust aluminum squeegee frame with stainless steel straps, delivering consistent water recovery. An electronic float switch automatically shuts off the vacuum motor for added protection. With the quick snap magnetic hub, pads and brushes change quickly and easily. No tools required. Bright LED headlights improve visibility in low-light areas. The X-Scrub Max 34 walk-behind auto scrubber delivers wide-path cleaning power with effortless control. Ready to experience the difference? Book your demo today. The X-Scrub Max 34, where intelligent design meets great performance.